Yeah, Morocco. That is 777. That's a 777, which we saw. I think no, it's a different one. Or 767, I think. Charlie November Romeo Golf uniform. There you go, Royal Air Morocco, Dreamliner 787. 787, yes. That's a Dreamliner, Royal Air Morocco. Yeah, off the runway, shooting in the air, beautiful. That is a 787 Dreamliner. Air Caraïbe. That's the Airbus. I'll double check, guys, sorry, I'll double check. This is Air Caraïbe. It's magic, wonderful, beautiful aircraft. Beautiful. In front looks like a Boeing, but I'm not sure. I'll confirm right away when the aircraft is in the right position to determine which type is that. But for now, it's taxiing toward the runway. For me, it looks like a Boeing. I shall double check. Oh, I think it's an Airbus. Position, here we go. Wonderful. Beautiful. Air Caraïbe. Top turn. Shall give you the registration. The aircraft. That's Foxtrot Hotel Papa Uniform Juliet. What app is this? Okay, I'll find out on the internet, on the Google. There we go. For power. Caraïbe. That's Air Caraïbe, which is rolling for takeoff. Full power. There we go, lifting the nose of the runway, shooting in the air, beautiful. Right there in front of us, 12 o'clock, we have EasyJet. That's Airbus A320, obviously. That's a popular aircraft at this airport. That's a popular aircraft. Shall I give you guys the registration number of the aircraft? That's an EasyJet. Austria. That says EasyJet. Taxiing towards the runway for repositioning. Prior to takeoff, Going to go straight away. No, it's repositioning. Nicely, sharp turn. Beautiful. Beautifully. Oscar Echo India Victor Alpha. That aircraft in front of us, A320 Oscar Echo India Victor Alpha. Austria EasyJet. The aircraft is positioned on a runway, and it's going to take off shortly. It's going to take off shortly. That's EasyJet. Eco Alpha Sierra Yankee Juliet Eco Tango EasyJet, and the registration is Oscar Eco India Victor Alpha. Full power. Off we go. Off we go. That's the EasyJet. That is the EasyJet, guys. That's the EasyJet A320. Nose up of the runway, saving air, wishing them a safe journey to their destination. That is the EasyJet, guys. Thank you.